What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. I'm on location again. I've got for you guys this Ratchet right here. Yes, I know I already have some of these, but I really like them that much that I decided I want to get another one. Now this is the Sandrail version right here. This is why I'm on the same location. I came here with that other, what was that, the purple truck that said guard on it, the Subotech 1520 I believe it was. But yeah, so I'm back out here in that location. And I've got for you guys this 18 scale Ratchet. Now it calls itself a Sandrail, so I'm hoping it can handle the sand. Now this is the old box again, as you can tell. Those are all the older models and stuff. That's a nice color, actually. I like that one. Then you got the Gallop, which I don't have an experience with because I don't have one of those yet, but you know, they're all the same chassis, so it might be the same thing. And there's the back if you want to read some of that information right there. Hopefully it's legible. All right. Just look at that thing. It's a beautiful looking rig. Look at that thing. Nice paint scheme going on there. Nice looking spoiler. Nice tubing right there. You know, the imitation tubing that's all plastic, but man, it looks good. Now the only other thing I think that's bad about these is the shocks, because if you could tell how they look like right there, see how they're open? You can see straight through the shock right there. Well, sand and stuff can get in there for sure and jam up your shocks. So if you can see back here, I put some tape to cover up the shocks. Now you can't put a thick layer of tape on there. You literally have to stretch the tape and put them over those spots because the coil is so close to the body that if you put just a regular layer, if you go around it with electric tape, you won't have your suspension at all. So yeah, that's what I had to do to keep some sand out of there, hopefully, and hopefully it performs in the sand pretty well. The only one out of the bunch that does this. 2 body clips up front, and boom. No heat sink on this model for some reason, but I tried to put a heat sink on it and I see why. It interferes with the cage. So what they did was they put a hole right there for the motor to breathe. It comes with a 650 milliamp hour lithium ion 2-cell battery, an all-in-one splash proof ESC, and it's got a port right there for lights if you want to add some lights to it. And yeah, the truck is not bad. Yes, I know it's a lot of plastic everywhere, but this is going to be, I believe, my 4th one now, and I've been bashing the crap out of these things and they just keep going. So I do like them a lot. Well, alright guys, let's get this thing going and let's test it out.
Jamaican with time for station. When it hits you, yes, 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 you say. When it hits you, yes, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, 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 you say. When it hits you, yes, 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 you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3.
All right, guys, there you go. Sand run complete. Performs pretty well in the sand. These tires are harder than most of their tires that they have. It's usually pretty soft. There's foam in there. But for the sand, it works pretty decently, as you guys can tell. So I hope you enjoyed that. This truck is definitely another one I could recommend. As you can tell, I like these HBX 118 scale stuff. It's not too bad. So all right, guys. If you like this kind of content, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe below. And as always, have fun, go out there, and run that RC.